In this lesson, we will see together the past participles used with avoir. So the important thing that we need to remember is the following. The past participle used with avoir remains invariable, means you don't touch it, if the verb has no direct object complement or if the direct object complement is placed after the verb. So we'll take some examples to make it more clear. First scenario, no direct object complement, complément d'objet direct. So if you don't have any complément d'objet direct, it will be extremely simple because it means that your past participle here, danser, will stay the same. It will be invariable. It means that it will not be affected by the feminine, it won't be affected by the plural, and it won't be affected by the feminine plural. It will always be the same. So here, il a dansé. And well, you will tell me, so it means that if it's feminine, it will be the same. And the answer is yes. Let's have a look at the feminine form. As you can see, it will be exactly the same way. Elle a dansé. So as I told you, first we had the masculine singular, now it's the feminine singular. The past participle, stays the same. So now, ils ont dansé, so ils, remember, it's the masculine plural form. It will be exactly the same thing. So your past participle won't change at all. And obviously, elles ont dansé, feminine plural, it will be the same. So remember, it will be whether for the masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, or feminine plural, the same form of the past participle danser. So that was the first situation, no direct object complement. Now, second scenario, we have a direct object complement after the verb. And that's really, really important, after the verb. So let's take an example now. Il a oublié ses livres. So as you can see here, we have the direct object complement, ses livres, and it's coming after the verb. In that case, it will be exactly like we had before. So it means that the past participle, oublié here, will be the same all the time, whether it's masculine singular, like here, il a oublié, or then here, feminine singular, elle a oublié. You write your past participle exactly the same way. Or then, masculine plural, ils ont oublié, or feminine plural, elles ont oublié. So remember, no direct object complement. It will be simple when you have the past participle with avoir. It will remain the same, whether it's masculine, feminine, singular, plural. Or if your direct object complement is coming after the verb, it will be exactly the same thing.